County in north central Texas, northwestern Denton County, Texas, southeastern Cook County in north central Texas, Grayson County in north central Texas, until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crum, or 8 miles west of Denton, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Valley View, Crum, Ponder, Gainesville, and surrounding areas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 499. Interstate 35W between mile markers 77 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 462 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 4:18 a.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC56. Serving the...
Ooh, they're getting more severe storms tonight. They're all flashing the warning light. I need to change the lens flares, jeez. See, it's flashing red. And my Radio Shack 12262 activated for its first ever watch and warning. See? Sorry for the shaking. Holy crap.
Mostly clear. Mostly up.
Hopefully another severe thunderstorm will be here. Now what am I saying? Hopefully another severe thunderstorm will form so I can record this on time. So yeah.